Welcome back, guys, CryptoFi channel. Today I want to talk about xStocks, new ecosystem in crypto. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, if you didn't know, I already a million times explained to you, but I think, just my personal opinion, everything in the world will be tokenized, and now it's happened. So now we got even the new sector, new category in crypto, xStocks. It refers to the tokenized stocks and ETF issued by BMT. But of course, you have to understand, I will show you how to work with and how to use the Bubblemaps. It's give you a lot of data, but we have to know, it's important to keep in mind that this xStocks are not showing the launch inception maps. And the initial map will look as it has very concentrated supply, since the supply needs to be bought up from exchanges at the beginning, so I will show you how it looks like on the launch day. Even if it looks like it's a bad bubble map, it looks as expected for now, because it's just a fresh new one, and definitely it's not like a meme token. It's not even the token. It's totally another story. It would be great to follow the maps from the start and see in the future how they slowly mature into several smaller entities or owners. First of all, I highly recommend you create an account on the Bubblemaps. And of course, it's just a new era. Yes, I can call it the new era of tokenized sector and a category. When you create an account, you can press the launch app and you will see the first page. Here, usually the future tokens. Just a few days ago, in the trending tokens, we saw a few of xStocks because it was so popular. Now we don't see that tickers. That's why we can go to CoinGecko. In CoinGecko, you can find the xStocks ecosystem coins by market capitalization. So it's sorted by capitalization now. Like you can see by rank, it's so far from the top 100, top 500 even. Right? But in the future, this tokenized stocks can be in top 100. Who knows? That's why, guys, this is a list of current tokenized sector, right? This is still not trackable, maybe not launched, right? But anyway, we already can track, for example, the S&P 500 stocks, Tesla stocks. Tesla will be so interesting. Circle, Nvidia, Apple stocks. Let's double check. MicroStrategy, for example, the Coinbase, Robinhood, Nasdaq. I want to show you the few of them and how to track it. First of all, on the CoinGecko, you can't track the holders or some data. That's why we need to copy the contract. Take a look. This is MicroStrategy xStocks. Here's contract on Arbitrum, right? That's why we have to go here, 3 dots, and copy the Solana, because until now, Bubblemaps still not support the Arbitrum. I think in the future they will add it, the Arbitrum, and just need to paste the contract on Sol. MicroStrategy xStocks on Sol. We open the page and we can see how now wallets concentrated or not concentrated with holdings. So this wallet hold like 35%. But like I told before at the beginning, in the future, it's definitely will look totally different way. Each bubble, it's one single wallet. Each line, it's connection, on-chain transfer between the wallets. So it can be like one big cluster, hold 20% of total supply, and here's like 15 addresses connected together, even more. If we double check the launch day, this is what I told you before, it can looks like totally concentrated in one hands, but it needs to look like this because it's just a launching. I think, yes, in the future, the more and more people will start interest, in xStocks, because it's give you the option to buy the shares of Tesla, for example, just using the Sol. Also, take a look, 40% in hands of this one wallet. This is a cluster, 22 wallets, and we have to turn on all the time. I recommend you turn on the magic nodes. If at this current moment we see the big cluster, it doesn't mean in the future everything will be concentrated, and controlled. But of course, you have to be careful even with the Tesla or Apple stocks. Let's copy the Nvidia and double check how it looks like. This one. And this example, guys, if everything looks so concentrated, because it need to looks like at this current moment, because for example, the main shares going from the Bybit, and the Bybit hot wallet still own, for example, Nvidia stocks 23%. Some individual wallet, this one, hold 18% of emission. I will leave link on the description below and go directly to the CoinGecko list. Or if you open some Nvidia, for example, you can always go to similar coins and track the related token. Guys, I hope you like this video. Highly recommend you create an account on Bubblemaps. It's totally for free. Links will be on the description below. Subscribe channel and don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.